In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Jira Sprint ID on a Jira Scrum board. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick reminder, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's dive in. First, start by opening an issue that is part of the specific sprint you want to identify. This is crucial because the sprint ID is connected directly to the issues within the board. By selecting an issue within your desired sprint, you're effectively zeroing in on the exact sprint you're interested in. Once you've done that, look for the sprint field on the issue details page. This field contains the sprint name linked to that specific issue. It's a straightforward step, but indispensable for our next actions. Now here's where some attentive maneuvering with your mouse comes into play. Hover your mouse pointer over the linked sprint name text in the sprint field. When you hover, you're not just looking at the visible text. Rather, you're preparing to reveal some hidden information. This is a nifty trick to access data without diving into complex back-end details. As you hover over the sprint name, notice that a URL will appear in the bottom left corner of your browser. This works on most modern browsers like Firefox and Chrome, which helpfully display link details in this area. You're looking for a string of numbers that appears within this URL. Finally, pay attention to the number at the end of that URL. That number is your sprint ID. It's as simple as that. This ID is unique to each sprint, and knowing it can be quite handy for various configurations, reports, and when linking sprints within different tools or scripts. And there you have it, a straightforward, easy way to find your Jira Sprint ID in no time. Remember, having this piece of information is critical for integrations, automations, and ensuring accurate data attribution across your projects. If you need to repeat these steps, simply revisit the issue part of the desired sprint and retrace your actions. With this video guide, you're now well equipped to efficiently navigate one of Jira's essential features. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial empowered you in managing your sprints more effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.